Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are trying to change the UPnP setting on a T-Mobile router, chances are you may be dealing with gaming connection problems, device communication issues, or apps that are not connecting the way they should. UPnP, which stands for Universal Plug and Play, helps devices communicate more easily through the network. But sometimes you may want to turn it on, turn it off, or simply check how it is currently set up. Finding this option can feel confusing because router settings are not always placed in obvious spots, and different T-Mobile router models may look slightly different. The process is usually simple once you know where to look. So let's walk through the setup together. Try these. Step 1. Connect a device to the T-Mobile router before opening the router settings page. Step 2. Open the management app or web page for the T-Mobile router using your phone or computer. Step 3. Sign in to the T-Mobile router with the administrator password to access advanced settings. Step 4. Find the network or advanced section inside the T-Mobile router settings menu. Step 5. Change the UPnP setting on the T-Mobile router based on whether you want it enabled or disabled. Step 6. Save the changes on the T-Mobile router and restart the connection if needed for updates to apply.